guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today we're going to be doing the Boxyluxe for this month of March. So if you guys are interested in what I got in this month's box and how I created this look using the items in this box, then please keep on watching. But here is my Boxyluxe, and we're going to open it up. Woo! So here we go. Here is the little card. I have gotten variation C2103402LX. And okay, this month's theme is lucky for, you know what, St. Patty's Day. My box keeps closing. Oh my. So the first item in the box that we have is the BB Beauty London Barbarella Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for 50 bucks. I'm trying to, okay, here we go. Which is this palette right here. Here is the unit carton. It has all the ingredients in the back. It says Meet the Black Book of Color with subtle shades to straight up blasts of color. Jet milled pigments deliver intense saturated light reflective shades with gorgeous textures plus long lasting and non-creasing silky velvety finishes. Again, 50 bucks. I love that it has, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but like these little honeycombs. I love that. And it's, the brand is Be Beauty, so Be Unique, Be Beauty. I mean, that's kind of, I like it. I like it. So let's see what is, look, ooh, okay. Oh, snap, things are falling. Here are what the shades look like inside. I'm seeing a lot of shimmers in this palette. A lot, like a majority of this palette is shimmers, maybe satins, maybe pressed. I don't know. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot. Like I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte shades. So the matte shades are going to be these neutrals here, this pop of blue, and then this black, right? Or dark brown. The rest are literally shimmers. So, I mean, it gives you some variation, but your transition shades are going to be pretty much neutral. So the next item is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Okay, which is this right here. $42 is a retail value. It says this concentrated formula is your go-to serum to plump radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend. Of course, someone's by my front door. I can't even open this box. Features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. Ooh. Okay, it's supposed to target different layers of the skin for deep, intense hydration. That is super cute. Look at this bottle. I like that it's a pump. Super cute, super adorable. I'm all about skincare, you guys. So I'm just gonna chuck the trash on the floor because you know me, I don't really care. Then we have Fenty Beauty. Oh yeah. Okay, so I should have tried this first. I don't know why. Then we have Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This retails for 36 bucks. I had gotten a whole bunch of shades in the add-ons plus this one because I didn't know what shade I was going to be, and I'm still waiting for the last order of my add-ons to come in because I have 2 other shades in there. As of right now, this is $250. Don't know if it's going to be a match for me. I'll try it in another video. And then I did have the shade that I got in the add-ons what was this, $260, but $260 is a very neutral shade and it'll look really gray on me. On camera, my face is looking orange. I don't think I don't think I'll ever use that. Ooh, yeah, I'm looking really orange. But yeah, this one is pretty neutral, so I have no idea what this one's gonna be looking like, honestly. But that's for a whole nother video. That's a whole nother video. And like I said, that one retails for 36 bucks. Then we have the Rose Quartz Hair Mask. Retails for 31 bucks. I'm all about hair masks, so it says with 0 sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs, or phthalates. It smells good. It's supposed to be for all hair types and with all chemical processes, vegan and cruelty free, made in the USA. It looks really thick. I'm all about hair care, so I'm all about it. I'm all about it. Then we have the Sanaj Frios Icy Globes facial massager thing. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. So I got those facial massage. I think that was one of my picks. I thought they were super cool. These little thingamabobs. Will I use them on a day-to-day? Probably not. But on that one time when I want to feel like I can't even get it out, to be, you know, pampered. Why not? Oh my gosh, these are like really hard to take out. Okay, I'm struggling. Hold on. Ooh, okay. So just so you guys could have a size reference, here is my hand. Here's the little bowly things. I'm assuming you could put them in the fridge. You know, that would feel really nice on the skin. That retailed for 60 bucks. Holy moly, 60 bucks for these things? Honestly, they just feel like plastic. So that's interesting. It's supposed to simulate blood circulation. Oh, depuff the eye face and eye area, reduces breakouts, shrinks pores, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I mean, maybe if it's cold, it'll shrink your pores. I don't know. Well, we'll see. We'll see as time goes by. Then we have the Kat Von D Lock-It Edge Foundation Brush. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Again, I will try using this when I use the foundation in another video. Custom designed sculpted shape to conform to curves and contours of the face. Okay. I don't really like KVD, so whatever. The next is the Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Line Lip Liner. 18 bucks. They always give me a lot of lip liner, which I don't hate, but whatever. I mean, I don't know. I don't see a lip product so far. So I do like how it's a twist up, and I like the shape of it. It's not I don't feel like you would have to sharpen this, you know what I'm saying, because it's always gonna be at a point. So I do like that, and I like the color because it is neutral. I got the color Crush. Then the last one is the AMNH Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 Gold Lip Plumping Mask, which is this right here. I'm not really sure. This retails for 42 bucks. It's biodegradable glitter. Stars lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips, expecting a tingling sensation for softer and kissable lips. Interesting. Overall thoughts on this month's box for Luxe anyway, it's not too bad. I just wish there was like a lippy, because they give you a lip liner, eyeshadow, and it's like, okay, well, can I have a lippy? But whatever. I mean, I can't really complain about this box. You know, I feel like it was a decent box. Again, here is the palette. I'm gonna jump in with the neutral shade here, and it is called Oliver. It is like the closest one to match my skin tone. I'm just grabbing any fluffy brush. So we're taking that shade Oliver into the crease and up towards the brow bone. Then we're going to clean off the brush as best as we can, and keeping that brush, we're gonna go into Hue, which is this brown shade right here. So far, there's not a lot of kickback from the pan, which I don't mind. I'm gonna keep this shade in the crease, by the way. So far, the shades blend out really well. They seem pretty pigmented, not gonna lie. I'm not hating this palette, because at first glance, when I saw all those shimmers, I was a little concerned. Just a little. Because they don't really give you options in this palette for transition shades. I'm not really thrilled with that. Cleaning off the brush as much as we can with any remaining product. We're just gonna blend out our upwards on these edges. We're gonna make sure everything looks as even as possible. Going in with a little bit more of that brown to add some depth here, because I feel like I didn't add as much. And that's all I'm gonna do with these browns. I wanna play with these shimmers. I'm gonna use my finger to do so. I think I'm gonna go into Brad, which is this shimmer right there. I'm gonna go in on my pinky. This is like the most brown. I thought it was gonna be like a purple, but yeah, that's a brown. Okay, but that's okay. We're just gonna go in with our finger. It's not bad. I feel like these might apply better wet, but you know, we're gonna fiddle with these a little bit. It's not too bad. I feel like this is like a really smoky look, honestly. Okay, then I'm going to go into the shade. I feel like I need some color on my eyes. I'm kind of feeling this bright orangey color, so I'm going to go into this shade next right here. That is the shade Devor. I don't know if I'm even saying that right. honestly. They feel good on the finger. I'm going to put that on the center and inner corner portion of my lid. This is more of a sheer base, at least in my opinion. Just trying to blend out those shades on top of each other, because honestly, I mean, I think the formulas are quite nice. I don't know, like my face on camera, I don't think I have to fix the, yeah, why is my settings are off and I don't know why. But it is what it is. So, I don't know. I'm liking it, but I need now a bright color. So I think I'm gonna go into Kofi, which is this white as heck shimmer shade. And that, I don't like the way that's swatched either. I don't know. But I'm just gonna go in the inner corner and tear duct area of my eye, and we're just slapping it on there. Now on this brush, I'm gonna go ahead, I feel like I'm gonna try using that blue, but I'm afraid to use that blue. I'm gonna go ahead with a little bit of Dammy, which is that really light blue, and Oliver. I'm gonna mix the two, that way it doesn't look so crazy. Because honestly, we don't, there goes the blue. But I'm not liking the way it's sitting here, so I'm just gonna go in with Oliver, being that it's the closest shade to my skin tone. And I'm just gonna like help blend that out a bit. So I'm gonna quickly go off camera and finish the rest of my makeup, and I will come back for final thoughts. So I went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup. I didn't go too crazy just because I feel this look is still kind of daytime wearable and I got things to do. I got places to be. So overall thoughts of this month's box. So I am loving like the skincare stuff. I have not tried the foundation yet, so I can't really judge my opinions on that. The palette was okay. Like honestly, I just wish I had more transition shades. I wish I had more mattes, because these three here are matte. That is this one is a matte. The rest literally are all shimmer shades, and that's a lot of shimmer shades for me. Like to the point where I probably would not gravitate to this palette at all. I forgot that this one is a matte shade down here as well. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 shimmer shades. It's a lot of shimmer shades. I like the overall palette and the design of it, but I just wish again that it had more matte shades. But overall, this month's box was not that bad. I kind of wish there was a lippy. I feel like there should have been a lippy, but that's just me. I don't know, but that's just my opinion. So yeah. So that wraps up this month's box, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, let me know down below in the comments. Do not forget to like, comment down below, and if you have not already, sting my subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and wherever else you guys can think of pollinating my videos. And I will catch you in my next one. Bye.